The physics of fall protection. Question 1. According to the physics of gravity, feet per second squared, approximately how fast are you traveling after falling for just 1 second? A. 10 miles per hour. B. 22 miles per hour. C. 55 miles per hour. D. 120 miles per hour. You guessed B, you are correct. The answer is B, 22 miles per hour. The physics of fall protection. Question 2. What is the reaction time gap? If it takes your brain 0.5 seconds to realize you are slipping, how far have you fallen before you can even react? A. 6 inches. B. 1 foot. C. 4 feet. D. 10 feet. You guessed C. You are correct. The answer is C, 4 feet. The physics of fall protection. Question 3. What is terminal velocity for an average human falling in a spread eagle position? A. 65 miles per hour. B. 120 miles per hour. C. 200 miles per hour. D. 300 miles per hour. You guessed B. You are correct. The answer is B, 120 miles per hour. The physics of fall protection. Question 4. The primary cause of injury in a fall is not the distance, but the sudden stop. What is the technical term for this force? A. Acceleration. B. Deceleration. C. Terminal velocity. D. Suspension trauma. You guessed B. You are correct. The answer is B, deceleration. The physics of fall protection. Question 5. Without a shock-absorbing lanyard, a 6-foot fall can generate impact forces of 4,000, 5,000 pounds. What does a shock absorber typically reduce this force to? A. 0 pounds. B. 200 pounds. C. 900 to 1,800 pounds. D. 3,000 pounds. You guessed C, you are correct. The answer is C, 900 to 1,800 pounds. physics of fall protection. Question 6. How does a shock-absorbing lanyard physically work to reduce impact force? A. It acts like a rubber band and bounces you back up. B. Special stitching rips apart to absorb energy. C. It uses a hydraulic piston. D. It releases a small parachute. You guessed B. You are correct. The answer is B. Special stitching rips apart. The physics of fall protection. Question 7. What is the pendulum effect in the context of fall protection? A. Spinning uncontrollably during a free fall. B. The swinging motion caused by not anchoring directly overhead. C. The feeling of dizziness at heights. D. The vibration of a steel beam in the wind. You guessed B. You are correct. The answer is B. The swinging motion. The physics of fall protection. Question 8. To avoid hitting the ground when using a 6-foot lanyard with a shock absorber, roughly how much total clearance height is required? A. 6 feet. B. 12 feet. C. 18.5 feet. D. 30 feet. You guessed C. You are correct. The answer is B. C. 18.5 feet. The physics of fall protection. Question 9. Approximately how long does it take to fall 100 stories, 1,000 feet? A. 3 seconds. B. 8 to 10 seconds. C. 20 seconds. D. 45 seconds. You guessed B. You are correct. The answer is B. 8 to 10 seconds. The physics of fall protection. Question 10. When inspecting your lanyard, what specific feature indicates that the gear has already experienced a shock load and must be destroyed? A. The color of the webbing. B. The impact indicator. C. The brand logo. D. The weight of the hook. You guessed B. You are correct. The answer is B. The impact indicator.